Hello, Job Dewey here, and today we interrupt this project here of the home theater to work on these things here, which are nail pops. Maybe they're good by other terms, but basically we have these nail heads or screw heads. This might be a screw head, not too sure. That are not so much pop. These aren't so much bad, but see further here, it's pushing out your, not the drywall, but the spackling, the mud that covers up the fastener. All right, see how there's popping out? And so there's actually popped out a little bit more than the other ones. The other ones have just shifted enough to pop off the outer covering. So to remedy this, the one school of thought is you take screws, drywall screws, you drive them in on both sides. So these here I actually did a different thing with, but this had a nail in it one time, and so I drove in a screw here and a screw here. You don't drive it all the way through, you just do about, I think I did about a 1/16 or a 32nd of an inch in. So what's that, like a millimeter or two? Something like that. And yeah, so we got that going there. And then ones like this here, you can see, I like to get something like this sometimes, right? A little special tool. Knock this part off here. Oh, this actually stuck pretty good. Alright, just a nail head underneath. And to try to get underneath it, like that, give a little twist, and actually pull it out. And then what I'll do is I will sink in a screw in its place. See, it's not that big. Oh, much bigger now. Anyways, the screws we're using are 1 5/16, no, 1 5/8. And so I kind of plop that one out and toss the screw aside. And we'll put a new screw in its place. Now, that's only to basically fill in that hole. Another version that people do is that they take this right here, and they take your hammer, and they'll bang it in. But I don't like that version there. I mean, some people drive it all the way through into the wood, and that seems like it's a little bit more work that needs to be done. Also, it will crush the back end of this drywall in against the stud and may cause a problem. So what I like to do is get me a thing like this right here. Today we'll use this here, a pin just laying around from a drawer I took off, and we will, let's see, get this like so, right up there on that screw there. Yeah. And I'll take hammer and my tool, which you can also use a real nail set, and just basically put it over this here and give it a little tap. There. That knocks it into the stud, hopefully enough to keep it from popping out again. And then with that, off to the side here, we will drive in some fresh drywall screws that will hopefully help to keep this thing shifting around. So I just rub to the side of it a little bit, try to keep it level, and make sure you get it into the stud. So I sink it down to the wall, and then I do just about, like I said, a 1/16, 32nd in to the drywall, still sticking out. There. Now then, we got one on one side, and we'll go to the other side of that nail. Actually, I'll bridge the gap between these two. And you can use a drywall again if you have one, or just a drill driver's fine too. There. Under the surface, but not enough to really mess up the paper there. Okay, so the next step through this will be to mix up some wall compound. And I'll mix that up. Alright, so I mixed up some fast set compound here. And just take a little gob of it. And, apply it. Nice and smooth. Try to pack it back in there. Some people say do this in a few different coats. I don't mind just gobbing it on. And then sanding down a little bit afterwards. Let's see here. Alright. So you can see there, that basically you're getting it, the hole filled back in. And this particular product dries in 5 minutes. So we got a few more here to do. And we'll be back to the next step. Alright, so the just about final step to this here is we're going to hit it with some primer. Now that's dried up pretty good. And yeah, just kind of apply it liberally over the spots. And let this dry, and then it'll be ready to paint. And you'll see the finalized product probably when I'm working on the flooring video for the movie room. Don't prime your cylinder that you already painted. Alright, so got that. Now I got my arm painted. So I better go and work on this here. And yeah, if you like this video about nail pop heads, thanks for watching it, like it. And yeah, I gotta clean up real quick. Basically prime it, let dry, paint it, and those pesky nail heads shouldn't be popped out anymore. Alright, thanks for watching.